Hi friends and viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Ahmad Tech. Guys, as you know, we are sharing videos about online earning. As you know, it is the time of digital and world is moving to digitals. Now we should have to move with the world, and uh, for therefore here we discuss the categories that freelancer. It as a freelancer. Freelancer is a platform for online earning. For online earning in Pakistan, for students, it means how students can earn online by freelancer. So we also have discussed about it, creating the account, how to create account. We have seen sign up, setting the account and bidding and gaining projects. We have also seen all about these. Now we will talk about the categories. If we see categories, which are the categories that will be the source of online earning. If we see, the first one is web designing. Web designing, it means by working on webs and they are designing, you can also earn a lot of money on the freelancer. First one web designing and other is app development. By developing the app, you can also earn uh, a lot of money. You can earn by these two categories, by web designing and app development. And data entry is common. Data entry, everyone know about the data entry and is also able to do this job. And graphic jobs, it means by working on graphics. In graphics there are a lot of work, as logo designing, title designing, and different designs you can create and you can also earn. Other is logo designing. By logo designing, uh, it means the companies, the brands, the different businessman needs a logo for their business, for their brands, for their markets. So you can earn a lot from the logo designing. And other is HTML, Java script. By JavaScripting, you can also earn a lot of money by the freelancer. And other is article writing. Article writing, and after article writing is the digital marketing. So after is the software development. Software developments. So these are all the categories on freelancers that can be the source of the online earning. Other is Linux. After Linux is SEO and SMM. SMM. So friends, you can subscribe our YouTube channel.